Welcome to a beautiful fall morning here in Washington. And this morning I want to talk about shops. Time and time again, when I'm searching on the MLS for clients that are looking for a house with a shop, that there's very little information provided by those listing agents. When Mickey and I list a house that has a shop, we make sure to meet with the seller and go through that shop in detail to see, what's the power, uh, what they use it for. Was it a set up as an auto shop? Was it set up as a woodworking shop? Because those can be two different things, though they can be converted over. And to really understand what is in that shop. So when we're talking to clients and potential buyers, we can convey the message that, hey, this is a building that you can use for your, whether it be auto, woodworking, craft storage, boat storage, RV. It has the amenities that you're looking for, or what's available or not available in that shop, so you can make a decision. So if you're wanting to see what services we provide, for selling a house, click the QR code on your screen right now, and it'll take you to our selling page that shows all the advertising that you'll get when you hire us to, sell your home with the shop. And reach out, because I'm happy to talk shops any day of the week. As an automotive guy myself, there's things that are important to me when when building or looking for shops. And a lot of my clients are a lot of woodworking, boating, automotive, all those kinds of things. So if you're looking to hire somebody that understands shops and can get your message out there, and then hire Mickey and I, because here's a little slideshow of some homes that we've sold over the past with different types of shops and sizes. So we have a very good understanding of what they are, what people want to do with them. And also, if you're looking to build one, we have that message as well, or information as well. Now, on the flip side, say you're looking for a home with the shop. Well, scan the QR code on your screen now, and it'll take you to our webpage that is specifically for homes with shops, but it's designed as homes with 5+ covered parking. There's not a perfect way to define shops and outbuildings within the MLS and get that out to the public, but this page has homes with 5+ covered parking. It's sorted by latest listing first. So you can go in there and change it to make sure it sorts, like, say, from most expensive or least expensive, to find what you're looking for. But these are the latest ones listed in Snohomish County that have 5+ covered parking. So if you're looking for a shop, if you want to sell your house with the shop, I hope you give us some consideration on hiring us, because I think we could do a fantastic job for you. And thanks for tuning into this video, and we'll see you on the next one.